Hi folks, welcome to Smile Healing Institute channel. Today's topic is quantum reality programming. Code your destiny into existence. Stop everything you know about reality is about to change forever. What if I told you that your life, everything in your life is not happening to you but happening through you? What if your circumstances are not random? What if they are not even difficult? What if they are perfectly designed programs that you have been unconsciously running your entire life? Right now, I want you to understand something profound. You're not just living in reality, you are programming reality. Every thought you think is a line of code. Every emotion you feel is an algorithm. Every belief you hold is a program running in the background of your consciousness. Most people are running outdated software. They're operating on programs installed by their parents, their teachers, their culture, their past experiences. These programs were designed for survival, not for thriving. These programs were built to keep you safe, not set you free. But today, you're going to learn how to become a conscious programmer of your own reality. You're going to understand that you don't have to be victim of your programming. You can be the creator of it. For the next few span of minutes, you're going to reprogram your consciousness at the most fundamental level. You're going to delete the limiting codes that's been running your life. You're going to install new programs designed for unlimited success, unshakable health, extraordinary relationship, and profound fulfillment. Are you ready to reprogram your reality? Because your old reprogramming operating system is about to become obsolete. Let us understand the understanding your current programming. Let me show you exactly how reality programming works, because once you understand your current code, you can transform it. The three layers of reality code. Your consciousness is like a computer with three operating layers, and understanding each one is essential to reprogram your reality. Layer 1, subconscious programming. The deepest layer is your subconscious programming, the code you didn't consciously choose. This is your automatic operating system. It runs in the background without your awareness. Think about how you brush your teeth, drive a familiar route, or eat when you're stressed. You don't consciously think about these behaviors, they run automatically. The subconscious programming in action. But here is where it gets critical. Your subconscious is also running programs about your worthiness and your capability, your deservingness of success. If someone told you as a child you are not good enough, that program is still running. If you experience financial struggle, that poverty program is still executing in the background of your consciousness. Most people lives are determined by subconscious programming they didn't even know was running. You're trying to achieve success with a poverty program. You're trying to attract love with an unworthiness program. You're trying to create health with a disease program. Layer 2, conscious programming. The second layer is your conscious programming. The thoughts you deliberately think, the goals you consciously set, the strategies you logically plan. Here is the problem. Your subconscious mind might want success, but your subconscious programming does not believe you deserve it. Your conscious mind might want to lose weight, but your subconscious programming has attached identity to being overweight. Your conscious mind might want to find love, but your subconscious program tells you a relationship always and badly. When conscious programming conflicts with subconscious programming, the subconscious always wins. It's running more powerful code. It's connected to deeper connection and emotions, deeper beliefs, deeper patterns. This is why affirmation fail for most people. They are trying to run new conscious programs on top of outdated subconscious code. It's like trying to run the latest software on a computer with corrupted fundamental programming. It does not work smoothly. Level 3, quantum programming. The third layer is quantum programming, the deepest level of reality code that exists at the intersection of consciousness and the quantum field itself. At the quantum level, your observation creates reality. Your attention literally collapses probability waves into experience. Your consciousness does not just observe reality, it puts reality into existence. When you operate from the quantum layer of programming, you're not just changing your thoughts or behaviors, you're literally changing the probability distribution of all possible outcomes. You're reaching into the quantum field and selecting which timeline, which reality, which version of event will manifest. Now, let us understand diagnosing your reality programs. Before you can reprogram your reality, you need to diagnose which programs are currently running. Most people have no idea what their operating system is. The five core reality programs, every human consciousness is running variations of five fundamental programs. Let me help you identify which ones are running your reality. Program 1, the scarcity code. This program says there is not enough money, not enough opportunities, not enough time, not enough love. It's a fear-based program installed when you experienced it. Lack. You make decent money but feel constantly worried about finances. You see opportunities but convince yourself they are not for you. You feel rushed and stressed so no matter how much free time you have. You are suspicious when good things happen, waiting for them to disappear. When the scarcity code is running, you live in perpetual fear. You make decisions from survival mode. You push away abundance because it feels unsafe. Your reality perfectly reflects this program. Life feels financially, emotionally, and spiritually scarce. Program 2, the unworthiness code. This program says that you don't deserve good things. It might have come from critical parents, childhood trauma, social conditioning, or past failures. It's a shame based program. You sabotage success when it approaches you, attract partners who treat you poorly, who you feel like a fraud when you are accomplished. You don't accept compliments, you deflect them. When the worthiness of unworthiness code is running, your self sabotage relentlessly. Your reality is perfectly calibrated to match your self image. If you don't believe you deserve love, you'll attract circumstances that prove it. If you don't believe you deserve success, you feel in ways that confirm it. Program 3, the powerlessness code. The program says you cannot change anything. You are a victim of circumstances. Life happens to you, not through you. It is a disempowerment program. You blame external circumstances for your problems. You feel stuck no matter what you try. You see other people succeed but feel powerlessness due to the same. You are given up expecting your efforts to make a difference. When the powerlessness code is running, your reality becomes genuinely unchangeable because you're not acting from your power. Your consciousness contracts, your energy diminishes, your vibration lowers, and reality responds by showing you exactly how powerless you are. Let us understand the program for the separation code. This program says you are separate from others, from abundance, from health, from your highest potential. It is an isolation based program. You feel lonely when surrounded by people, even. Okay, it's not like, yeah, if it is not surrounded like that. You believe you have to achieve success alone. You're suspicious of help from others. You feel disconnected from your body, from nature, from the universe. When the separation code is running, you cannot access the quantum field's power. You cannot entangle with abundance. You can't resonate with love. You're operating as an isolated consciousness, trying to force change through willpower alone, which is exhausting and ultimately ineffective. Program 5, the victim code. This program says your past determines your future. What happened to you defines who you are. You can't escape your circumstances because they are too big, too painful, too real. It is a fatalism based program. You define yourself by your trauma or past failures. You tell your sad story repeatedly. You expect sympathy rather than solutions. You believe healing is impossible for someone like you. When the victim mode or code is running, your identity becomes locked into your story. Your past does not just influence your present, it completely determines it. Your reality becomes a confirmation of your victim narrative. The beautiful thing is you can identify which programs are running and you can delete them. You're not stuck with the code forever. Let us contemplate the reprogramming protocols. Now that you understand your current programming, here is how to completely reprogram your reality at the quantum level. Protocol 1, code identification and deletion. Before you can install new programs, you have to identify and delete the old ones. This is not just positive thinking thoughts. This is actively removing the corrupted code from your consciousness. Let us contemplate also the deletion process. Think of a specific area of your life that's not working, like example, finances, relationship, health, career. Now trace it back of the problem to the root program. What fundamental belief is creating this reality? Once you have identified it, don't try to fight it or suppress it. Instead, consciously acknowledge it. This is an old program. This code was useful when it was installed, but it's no longer serving me. I'm now deleting this program from my consciousness. Feel the belief dissolving. See the neural pathways deactivating. Imagine the code being erased from your hard drive. You're not repressing the program, you're consciously deleting it from your system. Protocol 2, new program installation. Once you have deleted the old code, you can install new programs specifically designed for the reality you want to create. Now, let us understand the installation steps. For each area you want to transform, install a new program with three components. Belief code, the new belief you are installing. Instead of I am not worthy, install I am infinitely worthy of all good things. Instead of I am powerless, install I am the powerful creator of my reality. Emotional code, the emotional frequency that runs this program. Don't just intellectually accept the belief, feel it. Generate the emotions of someone who truly believes this. Feel the confidence, feel the deservingness, feel the power. The emotional code is what makes the program actually execute. action code, the behaviors that confirm the program. You can't install a program and then act in contradictory ways. If you have installed a worthiness program, you need to act worthy. If you have installed an abundance program, you need to act abundant. Your behaviors are the final code that locks these programs into your reality. Let us reflect upon the neural reprogramming through imagination. Your imagination is one of the most powerful programming tools available. When you vividly imagine something, your brain processes it almost identically to actually experiencing it. When you close your eyes and see yourself succeeding, your brain creates the same neural pathways it would if you actually succeeded. When you feel the emotions of achievement in imagination, your body generates the same neurochemicals it would during actual achievement. This means imagination is a direct pathway to reprogramming your neural networks without waiting for external results. That is, contemplate the reprogramming through imagination. Take 15 minutes each day and imaginatively rehearse your ideal future. Don't just visualize it, live it with imagination. See what you see, hear, feel, and make yourself feel, make it visceral, make it real in your inner world first. Your brain can't tell the difference between vivid imagination and external reality. When you program your neurology through imagination, you're installing new code at the deepest level. Let us understand the emotional coherence programming. Emotions are the frequency code that runs your reality. Change your emotional baseline and you change what reality manifests around you. We have to deeply understand the frequency programming. Most people are running on the emotional frequencies of their past, like stress, worry, shame, sadness, anger. These are low programs of frequency levels. But you can consciously elevate your emotional frequency like joy, gratitude, love, excitement, peace. These are high frequency programs that attract correspondingly high frequency realities. For that, everyday daily practice is a mandatory. Each morning before you interact with your day, consciously generate elevated emotions, not fake positivity, genuine felt emotions. Access memory that makes you grateful. Connect with people you love. Remember a moment of pride and accomplishment. Generate the emotional state you want to live in, and then move through your day from that frequency. Your emotions is now and also are now operating code that running your reality. Protocol 5, quantum state coherence. At the deepest level, you're programming the quantum field itself, your coherence, the alignment between your thoughts, emotions, intentions, and vibration determines what possibility collapse into your experience. We have to maintain the alignment of quantum coherence also. When your thoughts, emotions, and intentions are all aligned on the same frequency, you create quantum coherence. This coherence allows you to entangle with desired outcomes. It allows you to access possibilities that are not available for fragmented consciousness. Always practice a coherence practice. Multiple times throughout your day, pause and check your coherence. Are your thoughts aligned with your intention? Are your emotions matching your stated goals? Is your body language reflecting your beliefs? Are your actions congruent with your vision? Every moment you are not coherent, you are running conflicting code. When you achieve coherence, you are running a unified program that transforms reality around you. Let us deeply reflect upon the advanced reprogramming techniques. It is a very shift to advanced mastery cutting edge techniques. Now we move into the advanced techniques using the reality programmers which they have used to achieve extraordinary results. Timeline programming. Most people think they are stuck on a single timeline determined by the past. But quantum physics reveals that infinite timelines exist simultaneously and your consciousness selects which one manifests. Before falling asleep or during meditation, consciously select the timeline you want to live. See yourself on a timeline where your problem is already solved. Feel the emotions of being on that timeline. Entangle your consciousness with that particular timeline. Your subconscious mind will then guide your actual behaviors to align with that timeline. You'll notice yourself making different choices, seeing different opportunities, attracting different people, all because you have reprogrammed your consciousness to operate on a different timeline. Identity reprogramming. Your identity is perhaps the most powerful program running. If you identify as someone who struggles with money, your reality will be perfect proof of that identity. You have to contemplate the identity transformation. Don't just try to change your behaviors. Reprogram your identity. Instead of I'm trying to become successful, become I'm a successful person, not as a wishful thinking, but as deep programming. Live from this new identity, make decision as this new person would make them, respond to challenges as this new identity would respond. Within weeks, your reality will reorganize itself around your new identity because you are running completely different code. Frequency entertainment or entrainment. Your consciousness naturally entrains your consciousness of frequencies around you. This is why you feel different in the presence of highly evolved people. Your frequency is rising to match theirs. Conscious entrainment. Deliberately surround yourself with the frequencies you want to embody. Listen to music that elevate your consciousness. Read books from people operating at the level you want to reach. Spend time with people who are already achieving what you want to achieve. Your consciousness will naturally entrain upwards. Their operating code will influence your code through resonance. Belief cascading. When you reprogram a core belief, it creates a cascade effect through all related programs. One fundamental belief can transform your entire operating system. Identify one core belief that, if changed, would transform multiple areas of your life. For example, I'm worthy of receiving. This single belief, when you truly install, cascades through your finances. You can receive money, relationships, you can receive love, health, you can receive healing, career, you can receive opportunities. Focus all your reprogramming power on this one core belief. The cascade effect will transform your entire reality without you having to reprogram each specific program separately. Quantum field resonance. The most advanced programmers don't just change their internal code, they learn to resonate with the quantum field itself in ways that collapse infinite possibilities into their desired reality. As you elevate your consciousness through the previous protocols, you begin to resonate at frequencies when you are no longer pushing against reality. You're harmonizing with it. Instead of trying to force outcomes, you're aligning with the natural flow of abundance, love, health, and success. When you achieve this resonance, manifesting becomes effortless. Things you have been struggling to create for years suddenly materialize with ease, not because you have changed your external circumstances, but because you have reprogrammed your fundamental resonance with the universe. The complete reality reprogramming activation. We have now reached the moment where you activate your new programming. Everything you have learned has prepared you for this complete reprogramming of your consciousness and reality. Find a place where you can be undisturbed for the next 10 minutes. If you can stand, stand. Feel your connection to the earth. You are able to reprogramming the fundamental code of your being. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths. With each breath, you are entering deep reprogramming consciousness. The complete reprogramming sequence now. Stage 1, program deletion. Feel all your old programming starting to dissolve, all the scarcity programs deleting, all the unworthiness programs erasing, all the powerlessness programs removing, all the separation programs dissolving, all the victim programmings gone. See them like corrupted files being permanently deleted from your hard drive. There is no judgment. These programs served you once, but they have expired. Your consciousness is now clearing the clutter. Stage 2, systems reboot. That means your entire consciousness is now in a state of complete openness. Your old operating system has shut down. You're in the reboot sequence. Feel this blank state, feel this infinite potential. Your consciousness is like a fresh computer awakening. New programming. Stage 3, core belief installation. Now install your new core belief, the belief that will transform everything. I am worthy of every good thing. I am powerful beyond measure. I am connected to infinite abundance. I am love. I am health. I am success. I am limitless potential embodied as consciousness. Feel this belief downloading into your consciousness. Feel it integrating into your entire being. This is your new core programming. This is the foundation of your new operating system. Now, stage 4, identity encoding. Now, reprogram your identity at the deepest level. I am no longer someone trying to change. I am the person who has already changed. I am successful. I am abundant. I am healthy. I am loved. I am powerful. I am free. This is not I am becoming, this is who I am right now. Feel your identity shifting, feel yourself stepping into this new self. Your old identity is deactivating, your new identity is becoming your baseline reality. Emotional frequency calibration. Now calibrate your emotional frequency to the highest possible settings. Feel gratitude filling your entire being for everything that's coming. Feel excitement about the possibilities emerging. Feel love for yourself, for others, for life itself. Feel the peace of knowing that everything is unfolding perfectly. This emotional frequency is now your new baseline. This is the vibration from which you will operate. Stage 6, quantum entanglement. Now entangle your consciousness with your highest possible future. They see this version of yourself who has achieved everything you desire. Feel that person's confidence, their peace, their fulfillment. You are not imagining this. You are reaching across time and quantum entangling with this version of yourself right now. This entanglement is real. Your consciousness is now correlated with your highest potential. Stage 7, program activation. Your new program is now love. Your new life, your new operating system is now running. Your new code is new executing and also exciting and also executing right now. From this moment forward, every choice you make will be from new programming. Every emotion you feel will be generated by new code. Every reality you create will be built on your new foundation. Open your eyes when you are ready. You are now a different person than you are 10 minutes ago, not metaphorically, literally. Your new neural pathways have been rewired, your quantum signature has shifted, your operating system has been upgraded. For the next 30 to 60 days, your only job is to maintain coherence, keep your thoughts, emotions, and intentions aligned, verify the new code, notice when you are operating from old programming and consciously switch to new programming. Trust the installation. Don't doubt the reprogramming. Your new code is executing in the background. Act from the new identity. Make decisions as the person you have now become. Document the results. Notice how reality reorganizes around your new programming. Let us understand the final truth. Your reality is not fixed, it's not solid, it's not permanent. Your reality is a programming running on the hardware of your consciousness, and you are the programmer. For decades, you have been running outdated software. You have been operating on autopilot, executing problems of programs installed by others. But today, you have taken conscious control of your programming. Your old reality was a perfect reflection of your old code. Your new reality will be a perfect reflection of your new code. The program has completely reprogrammed. The new operating system is now online. Your reality transformation has begun. You're not just changing your life, you're reprogramming reality itself through your consciousness. You are the programmer. Your consciousness is a programming language. Your reality is the output. Welcome to the new operating system. Welcome to your reprogrammed reality. The new program is now executing. Watch as your reality transforms to match your new code. If this reprogramming experience shifted something fundamental in your consciousness, share it with someone ready for their own reality upgrade. Subscribe if it resonates for advanced programming techniques. Comment below with the old program you are deleting and the new program you are installing. Your consciousness is the most powerful computer ever created. You are now conscious of how to program it. Your reality waits for your new code. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.